I'm beginning to think I've misjudged that young man. You, of course, don't waste a moment's thought on him, do you?
Not a single one, Uncle. Now, no doubt you hate me.
And now, no doubt I hate you.
Let it go. Let it roll right off your shoulder, don't you know? The hardest part is over. Let it